Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this balcony in Heartopia. So I'll just be doing the tutorial on the balcony itself, the way you decorate it. Obviously, it's going to be up to you guys on how you guys decorate it. So go to building materials and we're going to get flooring. Let me just add a wall first because I want the flooring color to be white, I think. Hold on, let me just choose a color for this. I'll just choose this one. And then I am going to add a floor here first so that I can color it a different color. I'm just going to color it this color so it's not super bright. Okay. All right, so let's start with a build. We are going to do 8 by 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, wait, no, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then fill the rest in. I'm just going to use this wall for the rest first, and then I'll deal with this. Okay, I'll deal with this now, I guess. Like that. Then grab another piece. There we go. And then I'm going to just get a floor from this one so I don't have to recolor that again. And I'm going to make that. Okay, now we are going to grab a half wall and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I'm making sure that's in the middle. And then another one. Wait, let me do 2 first on the side. One, 2, okay. And then that's it. I'm also going to color it the same as the rest of these walls. If it ends up different at the end, just know that I changed the color scheme on this build. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to go to roofs here. I am using this one. We're gonna make it a little bit taller. I forgot to put like floors on this. I'll do that later. And I'm going to change the color on that. Trying to match it with the rest. Okay, I'll do this color scheme. I do need to get this flooring, so I'm just going to steal that flooring again. And we're going to kind of like get this flooring and we're going to also expand it like this way and that way. Grab the roof again. Oh my gosh, I need to recolor these. It's fine. And I'm going to add a roof over here. Okay, I think that's good enough. Is it even the same color? I don't think it is. Hold on. Okay, now it is the same color. Okay, there we go. All right, and now, oh my gosh, did I make this too short? I feel like I did. Oh, I did make it too short. Hold on, guys. I need to make this a little bit taller. So I'm going to redo this. Sorry. It's supposed to be this tall. So make sure you do that and not mess up like I did. And then I will put this, oops, on top of that. And then there we go. Then I'll just fix this floor, and I'm just going to make the roof again a little bit taller now. Why does it go down when I like try to? Okay, at least I can put it back up. Okay, I'm gonna get this again. Wait, that's the wrong roof. Let me change the colors first. And then we'll put this back on here. Then we'll make it shorter like that. There we go. Okay, now this is the real deal. Okay, then we're going to go to others and again coloring it the same color as the roof here. And I'm just going to place it like this. Then we're going to grab a fence. I'm just going to grab this one. And again, you can color it to whatever color you want. I'll just do a black one. And then here, I am going to add a window. We're going to add this one. Okay, I want it to be black. Hold on, let me... Okay, and then we're also going to add it to the other side, like so. Then to the other side, I might change the floors to be honest. We are going to add, go to others, and if you have this, add it, the winter quartered balcony. So I'm just going to kind of color it the same here. Confirm. Yes, I might change that floor color. And then I'm just going to start decorating and I'll be right back once I am done. Okay, after like a long time, I finally finished the balcony. This is how I decorated it. Again, you can decorate it however you'd like. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!